Dr. Tom, I'm beginning to see the parallels between the Bank of England and the Fed. They're both private. They both were formed to pull the government's chestnuts out of the fire. They both were given the authority to print money and to set interest rates. And they both were unhitched from the government.
Exactly. The Fed is an exact copy of the Bank of England. If this isn't, repeating history, it sure is rhyming with history. But, by the end of the Napoleonic Wars in 1814, 1815, the amount of currency and credit in circulation was far greater than the amount of gold backing it, leading to a sharp depreciation in the value of the British sterling.
And that was right in time for the fiasco of the Corn Laws. And I would refer our listeners back to episode 12 if they'd like to listen, where we discuss the Corn Laws.
Yes. Protectionist banking laws, protectionist laws for large landowners facing declining prices for their crops, inflated prices from the devalued sterling, a 25% loss of income for the government from widespread smuggling and black markets, and then the year without a summer. What a combination for one nation to confront. By the way, nothing here has any resemblance to free market enterprise, what Marx would cynically call the capitalist system. In fact, Adam Smith's invisible hand, the capitalist system, if you will, was being handcuffed by the Bank of England and by